Hi again. So today I'll be showing you how to navigate the Engineering Advising Center website. For those of you who don't know, you probably should know by now, but there is an Engineering Advising Center in the Hammond building. It's located in 208 Hammond. So the Engineering Advising Center, also known as EAC, primarily serves as an advising resource for students in a pre-major status, so like freshmen and sophomore. So I'll show you how to get to the website and also how to contact an advisor. So I'm just going to type in the link www.engineering.psu.edu/advising center. So this is what it's going to look like. Academic advising for engineering students at University Park. So as you can see, there are two links here. One would be a web appointment request system and another for walk-in appointments. So we'll start with walk-in. If you wanted to just go meet an advisor, here are the acceptable topics for walk-in appointments and unacceptable topics. Now this is going to seem a little discouraging, like why do they have unacceptable topics? That's because these topics are really broad and you probably need to make an appointment with someone to talk about that, like internships. Like you're going to need to make an appointment or probably meet like another professor or an advisor suitable for that. So that's why. So these are the guidelines for that. Note that these are when the advisors will be available. This could change, but just make sure you look at that before you go to the office. And this one is for web appointment. I'm going to click on that, and you get to this page, and you'll have to log on with your PSU ID and password. So I'm just going to do that real quick to show you. And okay, for me, I already have my advisor listed here because I'm a senior, so I'm already in the major. But for you freshmen and sophomore, you're not going to have, you may have an advisor listed or you may not. So you're going to have to click on request an appointment, and you'll be shown like a schedule with the names of the advisors available at a time and a day. So that's what you're going to be seeing. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and we'll look at the other links here. So the next thing I wanted to show you is this link right here. So it's advising academic, career, and global. So you click on that, you can read about the responsibilities of advisors and advisees. And this is also really important. So when you click on that, it tells you, if your last name begins with an N, you're going to go to this advisor. Things like that. And once you're in a major, you can click on this link, and so this will bring you to this page, and notice how it says your advisor's contact information can be found on eLion, and I actually did show you the exact link to the advisor information in my other video for the eLion page, so you should look at that. And there's academic advising for Schreyer and Millennium Scholars. And there's also links for students considering change to the College of Engineering and career related and global education. So if you wanted to study abroad or work abroad, there's advising for that too. So this is really helpful. Also, the other thing I wanted to show you is this link, tutoring and support programs. So Penn State is really big on helping students, especially in the College of Engineering. You know, we provide a lot of resources to help you, to do whatever we can to make sure you have the best education, to make sure you're getting help. You're paying tuition, you deserve a good education. So this is like a bunch of tutoring programs on campus, and this is not it. Like, there's more. So there's Penn State Learning, iStudy, um, there's tutoring for the chem department, math department, and what I wanted to highlight is the multicultural engineering program that would be right here. So we definitely provide help. There's tutoring, there's MEP nights. Multicultural engineering program definitely does a lot to help you to make sure you're a well-rounded engineer. Make sure you get the resources you need to learn, to improve your grades, to get a job, to help you. So definitely click on one of these and explore these links, because trust me, at some point you're going to feel like you need help, you're struggling with a class, and you're going to think, oh, like, I don't belong in this major because this class is really hard, but that might not be the case. You can definitely get help and see if you actually learn stuff. So I'd suggest you explore these links. There's also links for diversity programs. I'm just going to click on that to show you. So Office of Engineering Diversity. Here we are, map. So it shows you stuff about map. There's links for SHEP, NESB, ACES. You can click on these and explore. It's the SHEP website. I'm just clicking on one to show you. But yeah, so the EAC website, definitely helpful. I hope you sort of know how to navigate this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you.